maybe it was even led by the fact of investing in Asia, has led us to kind of do things somewhat differently. And I think as you asked me about the activist part, and I'm like, it's much better off to have people who already get that as opposed to try to instill that. And so, in the process, I think everywhere, but definitely in Asia, initially we probably were buying things that were less than intrinsic value, were very discounted and were cheap. And today, definitely in Asia and also here, we're focusing a little bit more on, businesses that we think have, really good outlooks to them and growth to them and financial attributes, the ability to invest in that growth, or the ability even better for that growth to not be so capital intensive, so therefore, you don't need capital to do that. So I think the process is such that in Asia, we tend to own better businesses than we have here, and that's been even evolutionarily, because initially we probably did more like we did here, and I think that's our experience is you're better off because you can. There's a broader and larger number of companies that are discounted. So if you can buy a better business, one that has growth in it, that the intrinsic value is growing over time, that's better than buying one where it has less growth and the value is more static. Then really you need something to bring about a realization event, and that's always difficult to identify and to have happen.